think if you look at those videos, like here I'm standing right next to the root ball, if not even slightly lower.
No, you can reach the flower.
Yeah, and I'm touching the flower right here. And I remember I have pictures in Hanakapi of me standing below doing something very similar when we first discovered them with Stephen Gnomes. Because they were like coming up on a rock.
Is super skewed, just like just like Kaualau.
Exactly.
Well, that's good. Cool. Let's see if we can't drop this without breaking that one below it. Tree. It's heavy.
Yeah. Be careful. Oh. Wow. Perfect.
That's on the other side.
That is a huge rock.
That is like 4 feet long. Woo. Maybe 3.5.
And those are very wild bananas. That looks very similar, in my opinion, to the Dwarf Kaualau.
Yeah, the only thing I can even kind of compare is I feel maybe they're a little skinnier, but that could just be environmental. I mean, consider we did pull this banana up and bring it up here after it was kind of halfway on already. Okay, let's see if I can get it off of cutting it without breaking everything. Oh, and yeah, look at the length of the fruit stems. You know, like 2-3 inches, 3 inches, 2.5 inches.
Maybe put your hand up next to these bananas to see, like, this is what we're talking about, though. Still huge bananas. They might appear skinny at first, but they are huge.
These are almost like normal store size compared to some of the huge mai'olis we've had lately, where they're real fat. These are kind of normal size, but still, like, yeah, like, look at this one. That's angular and exceptionally fat.
I think it's conditional.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll cut this and hold it. Whoa. Wow.
Okay.
What?
All right. Yeah, 3 feet. That's a heavy rack, though. Dangerous heavy.
Wow.
Look at them peeling themselves already.
Yum. Yay. The bounty.
Oh, right. Yeah, and there's one that's self-peeled on the ground there. Cool. Beautiful rack.
Wow. Let's get another zoom in close to this. Whoa.
Dwarf Kaualau from a second location from the one that we originally found.
Wild pattern of these hands. All the ones that go in underneath. Woohoo! Wow. Wow. Epic! Woohoo!